Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I will be showing you fixed login error of Emirates NBD. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right into the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Some of the fixes that you can use is first, check your credentials. Make sure your username, password and smart pass are entered correctly. If you forget your password, what you can do is just simply tap on the option which is forget password right here. Then once done, second fix that you can use is smart pass issues. Emirates NBD uses smart pass for authentication. If you are not receiving the OTP or push notification, ensure your mobile number is registered and active. Check the mobile data or Wi-Fi is working or not. Then update the NBD app to the latest version by simply heading over to the App Store. Then on the search bar, type in ENBDX. Then simply tap on the app and check to see if the app is an update or not. Sometimes older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing. You can also clear browser or app cache. If you are using online banking, simply clear your browser cache by tapping on the three dot icon. Then heading over to the settings, tap on privacy and security, then tap on delete browsing data. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Like if you did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.